So when I first got into sales, I did struggle a lot. I didn't really think I was that good at sales. So when I first got into sales, I did struggle a lot, and because I didn't have any of the skills, right? And
Yeah.
so with me at the very beginning, I knew that I needed to learn the skills right away. So I would say it was just more so just gaining momentum, and then once I had momentum, everything started working in my favor. But yeah, it definitely is a grind at the beginning, and you have to learn a lot of skills. But once you learn the foundational skills, it's definitely worth it.